Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri. To activate Siri, make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car via Bluetooth, and now press voice assistant button on the steering wheel, or once you are on Apple CarPlay, simply say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
Expect cloudy skies tomorrow. The high temperature will be 12 degrees, and low will be 4.
And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.